Hi, today I'm going to explain the multivariable linear regression program. First, we import some libraries for the math operations, for reading the CSV, and to plot a graph. Then uh, we load the car data with the mileage, the age, and the horsepower. Also, we have our price as our target. Then we normalize our values to help the algorithm convert faster all the features to a similar scale. Then we add an intercept that is a column of ones to x for the theta. Then we initialize parameters for the value theta that starts with zeros, and we set in the same place the iterations and the learning rate of the algorithm. Then we define the cost of the function. This is to tell us how wrong the model is. Then we applied a gradient descent. It's similar to the last code. In this function, we update theta by little increments to reduce the cost in every iteration. Then we in this part theta cost we are giving the gradient descent function our values that we already defined. Then we plot and make a prediction and start showing values, the value of theta, and we apply the the predictions for our new price, and let's see how it goes. This is the function that goes in a regression or in a gradient descent, and we can see that in each iteration the price goes down, meaning that it's making adjustments to find the price for every or for our given value. And by exiting the graph, we get our values. The first one is the value of theta. Then we get the new car array. Okay, our values, and then we get our price prediction. And we can see that if we adjust our iterations to a lower rate, we will see a different graph in which it might be a little sample, so the price adjustment may not be the best. If we return to a bigger iteration size and we give our learning rate a big rate, we can see that at first it will find it will learn, but after a while it will be harder and may not have the best prediction. We can see right here that once it gets to a certain point, it finds it harder to reduce the price. Similar to when the iteration rate is lower, we don't get too close to the price where the iteration uh, the size is bigger with a understandable learning rate.